Next we'll go for coding and decoding. When we come to coding and decoding, so this coding and decoding, generally this is used in terms of, or else generally they use this in terms of intelligence cases. So like CBI investigation part they'll be using. So my coding, when I send an secret information to some other person, in between person should not be understanding. So they use this coding and decoding. Anyway, there are different types of coding and decoding. I told you earlier regarding A, B, C, D, all these values I told you to remember A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. I wrote the numbers and I told you So what are the numbers to be done? Now also what you do you put your write those A, B, C, alphabets and give numbering for that. For all those you give numbering. Give numbering for all this. I told you earlier also. Yesterday when I took up that number systems case, there I gave you. Forward and reverse numberings you give. Yesterday you wrote, anyway again you give nothing will happen. So I told you to remember that 7G. We have a movie called 7G. So from that we will remember that 7 is G. And T20 match. T is 20. So from that we will remember T20 match. And coming to this 16. What is this 16? In Tamil you call it as Padanaru. In Telugu you call it as Padaru. Or else you remember like P. Sridevi did her first movie called Padaraila Vaisu at the age of 16. Okay, from that you remember P is 16. Again I told that you people to remember E Jyoti. E Jyoti is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So all 5s. Okay, in between you remember. So if you remember this, between those you can easily calculate in the mind itself. And forward plus backward. When you take forward plus backward, together will be forward numbering plus backward numbering together will be 27. So from this backward equal to what? Backward will be 27 minus forward. 27 minus forward. Okay. Suppose if you take G value from back, it should be 20. See here, G is from back 20. So if you take J value, J is 10, no, E Jyoti, J is 10. So from back it should be 17. So 27 minus 10, like that. And I told you to remember B, sum of 27. B is 2, Y is 25. So BY. So you remember like you are buying something. CX, 6. Okay. IR, Indian Railways. Next, Mountain Dew, DW. So, Mountain Dew. You are drinking a cool drink, Mountain Dew. This is Indian Railways. And again, I told GT Road. You have GT Road, broadest road in India. Okay. So, next, like this, you can remember many. Okay. Next. So, this is letter coding. Try to solve this and comment your answer. Simple anyway, you might have practiced all this in your colleges also. Try to decode or give numbering, whatever it is, you try to give the answer. See, this is letter coding. So what we do now in letter coding, we generally replace some letters with other letters where these follow certain pattern. See here we are replacing these letters with a pattern. So now this should be replaced with the same pattern. Okay. So now picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Next, this is Q-H-D-S-V-Q-F. See, from here, P is 16 and Q is 17. What I did here? I did this plus 1. So plus 1. So I-H, G-H-I-J. So this is becoming minus 1. So now again from C I am doing plus 1. Next S-T. So this is minus 1. T-U. So plus 1. So Q-R. So minus 1 plus 1. So we are following a pattern of adding 1 and subtracting 1 alternatively. So now for this also we should follow the same way. Browser. For browser what we should do now? For first one it is plus 1. Plus 1 is C. So now minus 1. So this is Q. O, T, O, M, N, O, P. So this is plus 1. Again we here minus 1. Plus 1. So minus 1. So plus 1. So what I suggest is that first you code first and last letters. So R, P, Q, R, S. See first and last letter for all it is following now. Then go for some middle one. So fourth one. T, U, V, W. So V. So which is having fourth one V? So this is having fourth one V, this is having fourth one V. So first and second is having fourth one V, third one and fourth one are not having. So these two are omitted now. So now once see second one, in everything it is there. Now see third one. So M-N-O-P. So here P. So now this should be our answer like this. So don't write for all, just first and last you check. Then go for one of the middle ones. So then you check the options. Then it will be easy for you to solve. Okay. So this is letter coding where we replace letters of a word with letters of another word following a certain pattern. The same should be followed for the question asked also. Okay. Next. This is get 1 mark question. Try to answer this. So option C, Guru Lokesh, Anasuya Narayanan, Somak Aditya, Anirvan Kumar, Balamurli commented option C, Akshaya commented C, Jay Shankar Simhan commented C. See, in a certain code language, BAT is written as, BAT is becoming YZG. Next, we want to find out SICK, S-I-C-K. So see here, see one way is that some pattern is going on, you should check that. What the pattern is going on here is, give numbering for this. This is how much, B is 2, this is 1, this is 20. Okay, this is 25, this is 26, this is 7. See when you see the pattern here, sum of these is 27. Sum of all this is 27, 2 plus 25, next 1 plus 26, 20 plus 7, all this is 27. So now give numbering for this. So this is 19. So this is 9, this is 3. So this is 11. So how am I saying? T I know it is 20. So before that is S. So I J is 10 I know. So I should be 9. C 3, no problem. J is 10. So K should be 11. So now, so what should come here? 19 plus 8. So 19 plus 8. So 8 is what for us? So G is 7. So from that H. So which option is having H first? All three are there. So this is gone now. Next I is 9. So now what we should have? So 9 plus all are having R now. So directly put away R, no problem. Now I will come for last one. Last one P is there in 2 options. See whether V is coming or not. Okay. So last one or else last one and this one. So no problem. So 11 plus how much I should get? 16 is what? P. So one of these we will get. So next z or x will come, we should see. So 3, no. So this should be 3 plus 24. What is 24 for us? 24 we are sorry x 24 x. So this is x. So HR XP. So I told you yesterday also when I told regarding letter series, sum of 27 is very important. So this is the reason why I told the sum of 27 is very important. So this was given in GATE. Okay, next. So next, this is nothing but here what we'll do, I mean you try to answer anyway, I'll come back to that and I'll explain you. So you try to answer this. See, this is called direct letter coding. So this is direct letter coding. In this what happened? No, what happens? No, direct letter coding. So in this generally what we do is we'll directly give away coding. I mean we are having more than one now. You can easily remember if you have one, I mean like earlier one, see here. So like earlier ones, here one coding and decoding is given, for another one we should decode. So here also for one we have coding and decoding, for next one we should decode. So like that, if you are given one set of coding and decoding, for the next one you should decode, means you should follow the pattern in which this is done. So if you have more than one, no, it is direct decoding. So what we do is, whatever here, suppose star key is given. Star key is what it seems for us. Star key is nothing but L, B, F, M, G. So it means that S should be replaced with L, T is B, A is F, R is M, K is G. This is direct letter coding. In the same way, so now what did he give here? Mobile. Mobile is what? Mobile is nothing but T, N, R, S, P, J. So it means that M is T, O is N, B is R, I is S, L is P, E is J. Now what we should do? We should find out for B, L, A, M, E, blame. So B means what we should write? B means we should write it as R. So L means we should write it as P. Next, A means we should write it as F. Next, M means we should write it as T. Next, E means we should write it as J. This is called direct letter coding. So if you have more than one coding and decoding sets, then assume that whatever we are having in this directly we should replace. That's it. This is very simple. You cannot expect this for GATE. Okay, this is direct letter coding. So only thing you should remember is that you will have more than one set for which decoding is done. Then you can directly substitute. Okay. Next. Hope you have learned something today. If you like the lecture, subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section. Give your valuable feedback in the comment section. For complete lectures of mine, enroll in Academy. Thank you. Let's catch up in Academy.